there, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video, guys. It has been just over 2 weeks now since Ugogo's Kutini revealed that she is officially leaving Ubungoma for Christ, you guys. And of course, people were so excited for Gogos Kutini quitting this Ubungoma, you guys. They wanted her to come to Christ, you guys. And just today, she goes on social media to share videos of herself going into a church, more like an apostolic church, going there, you guys, and of course, an entourage of church congregations taking videos and pictures of Ogogos Kuteni as she is arriving in the church, you guys. A day that people have been wanting to see ever since Kuteni announced that she is leaving Obongoma. Now, however, you guys, here's the issue. Here's the biggest problem. A lot of Christian people were so excited seeing that Ugogos Kutini is finally leaving Obongoma. And I noticed something rather on TikTok in the comment section. Christian people actually were saying that they were so disappointed of the kind of church that Uskuteni chose to go to. People thought that Gogos Kuteni would go to a Bazarani kind of church where there is like deliverance and stuff. They stated that this church, they use like drums. They still like sangomas in this kind of church. This is not your typical Christian church. There is no deliverance at all, as people were saying. This is not the kind of church that people were thinking that Uskotini would go to. This is a church wearing uniform. A lot of them stated that this is a church wearing uniform, you guys. And in the Bible, this is one of the comments that I saw in the Bible. God warns against uniform wearing churches, and they are not from God. People are saying that Skoteni didn't really leave this entity Ubungoma. She went into another church, which another form of Ubungoma, which is hidden under the so-called church, the so-called prophetic churches which deal with prophecies. Christian people were so disappointed seeing that Ugogos Kuteni has kind of told people that she is leaving Obongoma, but yet again they were saying that this is also the same thing, because these churches, they practice what some governments do practice. They allow the use of muti. They also allow the use of miropa, like beatings, like drums. They use those African spiritualities. They were saying basically that Skoteni, no, you didn't find deliverance at all. This is not the church that we thought that you were gonna go to. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts regarding Gogos Koteni going into this church? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course, make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.